Hello there, everybody. This is me, Jorge Varela from the buttonsmashers.com. You can't actually see my face. I'm up here. Hey, how's it going? And so, welcome to an unboxing video. Right now, this is actually one of the first unboxings that I do for this site. Usually I'm doing game reviews and stuff like that, but I'm actually going to be reviewing this little box right here. It is the LucidSound, if I remember correctly, the LS20. So there we go. This is supposed to be some sort of universal gaming focused headset. It even has like a little microphone and stuff, and really cool looking little like wheels and buttons and stuff and all of it. I'm not entirely sure how it works because I wanted to actually show you these headphones because these are the ones that I use for pretty much everything. For games, for recording, in my daily life. They're Sony branded, but they cost like 20 bucks out of Walmart. They're fairly cheap, but you know, this is all I got because I can't really afford like a $100 headset like the one that got sent to me for review right now. So I'm pretty fortunate, but you know, we gotta put in the work, right? We gotta figure out how this thing holds up to the previous headsets that we have received. If you want to look at other unboxings that we've done of previous headsets, you can definitely go to our YouTube channel for the Button Smashers, and you'll see more stuff. You can also go to thebuttonmashers.com, and you can see our review of, you know, previous headsets like this one. And so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, but of course I want to give a little bit of shout out to LucidSound, who gave me, you know, when I showed up at home today, I got this big box, and inside it we had this little note, and we had the box, of course, and it says stuff like Dear Jorge, we're here at Lucid... What am I doing? I can't read. We here at LucidSound are thrilled. What is wrong with me today? We are thrilled that you are interested in reviewing our latest headsets. The LS20. LucidSound was founded in 2014, yada yada yada, it was a history and stuff. We wanted to create a gaming headset that gamers would be just as comfortable wearing outside as they are in the living room. We hope that you find the thing to your liking. If you have any questions, you can talk to us. So there we go. That's a nice little note here. And so this is separate. Along here, we also have a document that has, like, you know, bullet points and information about the headset and everything that I gotta know. And this will definitely be useful for when I write my review so that I know what I'm supposed to expect out of something like this. Because again, I want to reiterate, I pretty much have never used like an advanced gaming focused headset. I've always used like the cheaper ones that I just showed you. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I really don't know what the hell to expect. I should probably keep the document with me so that I know what's actually in this box. You also have a little list here showing off everything. Actually, in the box itself, it gives you some information of what it has, you know? So here it says, yeah, package content, system compatibility. Is compatible with PS4, Xbox One, PC, and mobile. So pretty much everything that is current gen. I'm assuming that it does work with PS3 and Xbox and all that kind of stuff. If you're like me, and you have a television with a headphone jack, then you probably have an extension cable that goes to either your sofa or your desk, like me, and you can just plug in the headset right here, and I'm assuming it will work. I mean, if it says universal, then it has to work with a television at least, right? I mean, it only seems logical, especially if you're gonna add in mobile devices into the picture. So there we go. Let's just go ahead and open this up. This opens up very nice and smooth, and there we go. Look at that beautiful thing. I feel like I'm in an infomercial, like, look at the beautiful product, Margaret. Oh, beautiful. So we have this little thing, which is the instruction manual, of course, or the user guide. That's pretty much what it says right there. I apologize for my coughing, by the way. I've been sick for a while, but I'm getting better. Right now, I just have a bit of a sore throat. You got a little sticker here if you want to put it on your car. Show off, you know, who has the better headset or whatever. You have some instructions here. You have a little manual teaching you how to... So yeah, it's talking to you about all the buttons here. It has like a power mode LED, USB charging port, micro... Okay, so apparently, yeah, you know, you can tell that I don't know anything about this because I'm like, what? You gotta charge it? What? But, you know, of course, this is just an unboxing. This is not like a review or anything. I'm just here kind of giving you my first impressions of all of this. And then later on, off camera, I'm going to be experimenting and reading up on all this and really using it. And then I'll use this, I will record a separate video where I will be experimenting with this headset on a variety of different places. I have my phone right here, at least I think I do. Yeah, so I have everything. It says that it can use portable stuff, right? So I have my PlayStation Vita right here, I have my iPhone, and I have my 3DS. And so I'm going to be using this headset on all three of these things, on this sandwich of portability. And on top of that, I have a PlayStation 4 over there, and a PlayStation VR. So let's see how the 3D audio, holds up with this little baby. So if we go over here, you will see that you have the power cables, you have a USB connection. I'm imagining that this is all that you need to actually make the headset run and work. So yeah, there you go. You have this connection. Oh, this is the what I can only assume is the microphone. So I'm assuming that you plug this in to the headset, and like you can talk like this. I'm gonna feel like some sort of secretary or something in an office. I'm gonna be like, yes, hello, like can I take your call? Please hold, and then I never call back. So there you go. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Oh, you also have like these little small things here in the back that I forgot to mention. So inside the bag, you have these little like rubber feet here. I don't know what these are for. Maybe these go on with the headset or something like that. Not entirely sure what these are, but of course that's what the instructions are for, so that I know what they're for later. So there we go. Right now I'm just showing you what's in the box. And of course the main attraction right here. There we go. No pesky wires like the other one that had like, wires all over, and I was struggling with it. I had like a spaghetti dish of just wires and stuff. But this is like full-on metal. I don't think there's anything else here that I can look for, right? Yeah, look at that. It's totally empty. It's just that. Well, it looks cool. It looks nice and sleek and protected. Kind of reminds me of the PlayStation VR box in the way that it opens up in almost like a clamshell kind of way. So there we go. Nice looking box. Cool. Really neat design. Everything is very clear. The instructions are there. And, it shows you all what's compatible with, what's inside of the box and stuff. And, yeah, just overall a nice, sturdy little thing that, I enjoyed opening this up because it was so easy to do. But anyway, of course you got, the sticker, a little, what is this? Attention, do not return this product to the store. Do not. A big, giant red warning. So it's like, warranty, right stuff or whatever. Just weird legal stuff. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. If you are the kind of person like myself that has never used a gaming-focused headset, then I highly recommend that you keep the instructions, because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of stuff that you're not gonna get. Here's how you plug in the Xbox controller. Here's how you plug in the PS4 one. Because they're going into it with the idea that, you're gonna take... Where's my PS4 controller? Oh, well. Like, just imagine that, that this is... Oh, God. Oh, well, I'm just screwing it all up, aren't I? They're going into it fully with the idea that you're going to take, this headset right here and plug it in over here at the bottom of this controller. This is an Xbox 360 controller, not an Xbox One controller, but you get the idea, you're supposed to plug it in down here, and the sound is supposed to come over here. But of course, because this is a universal headset, and you can apply it to other stuff like your phone or on your DS and stuff, I don't see how this can stop you from, plugging it in to a cable like this one, where it goes out to the television, or, going to a PC. So it doesn't matter really if you have a 360 controller like me or not, because you can just plug it in. I have this 360 controller mostly to play PC games, so you can just plug it into your PC and the sound should go in just fine. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. So you have this. So this should be the cable that actually allows you to hear stuff. This is the headphone jack. This is the mini USB connection that you use to charge up your stuff. And then you also have the little microphone. I'm assuming, actually, let's figure out where all this goes. Oh yeah, so you have the little plasticky bits here. Some ASMR stuff here with, just taking out the plastic. Some people find it really relaxing. Sometimes I like to leave it there, just so that it's nice and clean. And so, of course, you start, screwing around with it, and you'll know that, yeah, so this one right here on my left, actually, how do I know which one is, okay, so, right here, it shows you, like, a little a letter L, and then over here it gives you a little letter R. A lot of R's now. Little letter R. So yeah, right here on the left, you can actually turn it. You can turn it around, and actually, it has a little bit of clickiness to it. So I'm assuming that's like the play button, the pause button, the volume and stuff. Yeah, it has a really nice clicking feel to it. And right here on the right as well, it has a clickiness to it. You can hear it. There's actually a little bit of a clicking there. You can definitely turn the headset like this. I don't know why you would do that. Maybe if you want to like put it away on like a briefcase or something like that, it twists around like that. Or if you want to be like those artists that that they record their songs like this. I don't know, with just one ear. I guess that will work. But of course you have little adjustable little things right here, so that it fits your head. Right now it's a little bit stiff because it's a brand new thing, right? But I can just put it on like this, adjust it, and there we go. I'm wearing it. Now we can go ahead. So I want to know where I can actually plug this thing in. Okay, so there we go. So right here at the bottom, you have a bunch of little holes in here. And so in one of these, you should be able to... There we go. So right there. So you got it. You got the little microphone, and so I can wear it and just put it like this. Maybe I should take this thing out here. So I can wear it like this, and then adjust it, and there we go. I'm talking to people on the internet, fighting with little kids in Call of Duty. I don't actually see myself using this too much, and that's just because I like to work with the microphone that I'm recording with right now. Bigger, more professional microphones. I'm gonna have to test this out and see how the sound quality is, because it might it might conquer me. Who knows? Let's see. You also have the little headphone jack here, and that's it. I mean, overall, you just plug all the stuff in like normal. You use the mini USB to charge it up and turn it on, and there we go. Of course, I'm gonna read the instructions so that I know how all of this works. And there we go. That is the LucidSound LS20. Be sure to look for my review of this fairly soon. I'm going to be showing some footage of different games and, camera footage of me actually using the thing and describing how everything sounds, how it sounds in relation to, a mobile game and 3DS and a console and PC. And, just seeing what the difference is and how it compares to the previous LucidSound headphones. And, of course, how it compares to just a regular-ass little, pair of headphones like these. I will probably end up using these for, like, when I go out and I'm walking. Because these are really cheap, and if they break or whatever, I don't care. But, with these ones, I'm probably going to keep these at home for, like, console stuff. And I even use a lot of my portable devices here at home, so this will definitely benefit me for the better here, rather than taking them out to the dangerous outside world over there. I'll use these for now. Thank you very much. So, there we go. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, and if you found it, informative in any way, then go ahead and give this video a like, and you can subscribe to our channel, where you can see our video reviews, our unboxings, and you can go to our website, thebuttonsmashers.com. We have reviews, articles, previews, all of that video game website-y stuff, and more. So, and the only way for you to know about all that is by going to our website, following us and all that, and yeah, we'll have lots of fun. Stay tuned for my review, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time.